wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm excited for today's video. We're testing out some new things. If you haven't heard, Huda Beauty has launched a new skin tint and bronzer, but I think they're launching under like another new little sister brand, because you know they've got Kayali, they've got Wishful Skin. This is Glowish, so I think it's kind of like merging skincare and makeup. I don't know, but I have the new Glowish by Huda Beauty Multidew Skin Tint, and then I have the Glowish Soft Radiant Bronzing Powder. So if you want to see about that, then let's go. So this says Glowish, the love child of Huda Beauty and Wishful, where flawless finish intersects with skin caring ingredients for the ultimate glow up. I think this was $37. I got it in the shade 11 Deep. Okay, well, you know what? We're here, so let's just put it on. So this is what the actual bottle looks like. It says apply from the center and blend outward. So I don't smell anything. Y'all know Huda is big on fragrances in her makeup products, but I don't smell anything. I don't know, maybe it was because it was the first pump, but she was kind of giving me like cream vibes. Not thick cream, but you know, a little thicker than like most liquid products. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face up to the next point of the other product that I got. Now for the bronzer, this is in the shade 05 Rich. Ooh, I can't see open it. And what does the shade look like? Oh. Oh, this is what the actual color looks like. See, I feel like she kind of blending in to my hand though. Let's see, give it a quick little 2 dabs. You might have to build her a little bit, but I feel like I see a little something, you know? And that will be it for my face today. Now it's a little late, it's 12:45. We're still gonna do a wear test, see how this is going to wear throughout the day. As far as the finish goes, oh no, I'm like, I gotta see this finish of the foundation in a different lighting. Cause I don't know, I feel like she's giving me, the undertone's giving me a little, so we gonna see how it wears throughout the day and how it looks on the face throughout the day. So I'm gonna check in later. Okay, so it is 4 in the afternoon. This is my face is looking like. I was hyped for this launch, you know, especially since I love the foundation stick, but you know, sitting here I'm just kind of like, she's cute, right? That's all it's really giving me. It's like, okay, like she's cute. This is actually exactly what I would expect Huda to put out though, if she couldn't put out a product that was like full coverage. You know, it's supposed to be skin finish, skin tint, lighter coverage, stuff like that. I wouldn't really, like, I think that's why I was excited, because it was like, I kind of want to see how she's gonna do, you know, a skincare-ish type product, but it's not giving skin like how we know skin, right? You know, products when they have a skin-like finish. I think I mentioned it before I left for the day that I said like cream-ish type thing. I think the word I was looking for, like I thought about it throughout the day, was velvet. It has a velvet skin-like finish, you know, almost like a little smoothing from Facetune on your face, but still light enough type coverage. That's what this product is. So it looks nice on the face, you know, especially once it's like first applied and you're going about your day and stuff like that. But if you're not new here, then you know I have oily skin. So because it's giving kind of like that velvety, oily-ish type thing, not usually the best finish for me. So it's 4, you know, I'm getting oily in my T-zone, which is where I produce the most oil throughout the day. It's getting hot here in New York. So that's why I feel like she's kind of giving me just, you know, she's cute-ish type thing. One of those, like if I really want to make it work type thing, I'm gonna have to make it work with the other products, you know, a more mattifying setting spray, setting powder, stuff like that. So for those type of things, those go in the she's cute type of category, but I'm kind of, I'm not as excited as now that I've tried it as I was when I first came across it. I think I kind of wish it was a little more, you know, like skin tint type thing. But this is borderline, you know, like just light coverage foundation. And as far as the shade goes, I don't know, seeing it in natural light now, I'm not mad at the shade, but I feel like my opinion changes on whatever lighting I'm in. Is this something I would try again with like other things? Yeah, I would. I already have other setting powders, I already have other setting sprays. So since I already own it, yeah, I would try it with other things to see if I might like it more or might be more impressed with this, with the wear test, stuff like that. But if you don't and you're thinking of checking it out, you know, oily skin, you maybe proceed with caution while you're moving into it, and think about the fact that I said how the finish is wearing and stuff like that. Other skin types probably be fine. It looks nice on, you know, she somehow still has a like a blurring, not blurring, like a filter type effect, smoothing to it. But yeah, those are my thoughts on the skin tint. The bronzer, I think now that I'm in more natural lighting, you see that swatch of it there where it's like it's dark enough that you can tell where it is on my hand. It's like a reddish type undertone, but not too red, right? Not red like, oh, okay, it's just gonna add off, which you know, when you start thinking like, oh, I kind of look a little orange, a little reddish in the undertone, you know, it's like, well, when you start putting on a whole bunch of red undertone products. But you see it's like a reddish warm undertone, but still brown, like a red brown type of bronzer, which is usually what people want, but it's not like that deep. So those are my thoughts on the bronzer. Buildable, build up the bronzer. Those are my thoughts on the bronzer. If anything, I'll probably try using the bronzer more actively than I do the skin tint. But yeah, I have a sheet here to try blotting my face. And see, like, that's what I'm saying. Like, it's kind of settling into fine lines, stuff like that. Move my mouth, it's creasing. So that's why I'm just kind of like, on this one. But yeah, those are my thoughts on this foundation and this bronzer. I will have everything linked down below. Let me know if you have checked this out, even though it like just launched, or if you plan to, all that good stuff down below. And that is it for this video. So I hope seeing me test this out has helped. If any of you were thinking of checking it out for yourself, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn on notification bells, all of that down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.